Welcome to Perfect Autobody, the largest Mercedes-Benz autobody dealership in Australia with over 35 years of industry experience. It truly is like walking into a Mercedes-Benz factory. Centrally located 4 kilometres south of the CBD and 150 metres from Green Square train station, our highly skilled technicians have set the benchmark for excellence in the industry, having completed over 50,000 repairs since 1990.
Here at Perfect Autobody, we've been repairing cars for over 35 years as the authorised Mercedes-Benz dealer for paint and panel in Australia. Our technicians train here and overseas to develop all the skills required to repair your Mercedes-Benz back to factory quality.
Over the years, we've built a strong relationship with our customers, delivering unsurpassed experience. You'll come to recognise and trust our career technicians, many of whom have been with us for over 20 years. Your safety is our #1 priority. That's why we only use genuine Mercedes-Benz parts, not only preserving your warranty, but ensuring the quality, value and integrity of your vehicle is maintained to the highest of standards. Our purpose-built paint and panel dealership is spread over 3 levels. Fitted with the latest and most advanced repair technology available, we're able to return your accident-damaged vehicle to factory standards with improved efficiencies to get you back on the road enjoying your Mercedes-Benz. For electric vehicles, we have a dedicated EV repair work bay, charging bays and a dedicated high-speed charging area with fully EV qualified technicians. Perfect Autobody is a testament to the skills and dedication of our experienced team, who deliver exceptional service to our valued customers.
At Perfect Autobody, we use the right parts, the right equipment and the right people to repair your Mercedes-Benz.